How to make 2025 your year. I have 5 tips for you, and the first one is stop letting fear hold you back. For example, I will start by giving myself as an example. I was holding back on making these YouTube videos for so long, for literally years. Many years I wanted to do this, but I was letting fear hold me back. And I left that in 2024 and the years before. So if you want to be your best self, if you want to make 2025 your year, don't let fear hold you back. For example, if you also want to do a YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. Do it. Don't fear what people are going to say. Don't mind what your friends are going to say or your family, because anyways, the biggest criticism, we get it from our family and friends. So don't fear what they say. Don't care about what your schoolmates are going to say. They will say something anyways, whether it's good or bad, okay? So that's one. Don't let fear hold you back. And then 2, stop letting people take advantage of you. This is crazy. We literally let people take advantage of us, especially those with whom we are most vulnerable. They take advantage of this because they know our weakest points. So those people that you've been letting, maybe it's a boyfriend, maybe it is a workman that you've been letting take advantage of you, stop it. Because every time people put you down and take advantage of you, you lose esteem, you lose value. It's like something that is being used, but nothing pays off. What's the profit? Don't let people take advantage of you. Honestly, don't do it. It's not nice. Let it go. Let it be done with it. Let it be over, okay? And then 3, how to make 2025 your year. Make a plan of how you want your life to be. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know exactly how to draw the roadmap. That if you want, you can study that. You can come here on YouTube and learn how to make a plan for your life. There are experts that do that. But even if you don't know, don't keep the plan in your head, because you will forget it. You can get notes app in your phone and write down what you want. For example, if you want to go back to school, write it down. Write down your goals so that you will be reminded. What I like to do, I get sticky notes and just write down things that I want to do. And sometimes I just leave it there, and I am so surprised when I come back, like maybe after weeks, and I did exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, so just make a plan of how you want your life to be. And then number 4, how to make 2025 your year. You should do something out of your comfort zone. Guess what I did? I did it. Oh my God. I started doing this YouTube thing again because I want this year to be my year. What are you going to do to make this year your year? Let me know in the comments, okay? What are you going to do? Do something out of your comfort zone, okay? Maybe start greeting people on the bus. When you get on the bus, greet your neighbor. I know people don't want to say hi. Or if you get on a train, if you get, just greet someone, a stranger, say hi to them and make their day. Do something out of your comfort zone, because if you stay in your comfort zone, you will never know how big your limits could go, okay? That's number 4. And then last, number 5, which should be the first one, is put God first. Put God first. Pray. Let God know about your plans. If you feel defeated, go to God and ask Him for strength, because that's what He specializes in doing. He gives us strength, guidance, and He helps us to achieve our goals, okay? So I will repeat these points on how to make 2025 your year. 5 tips. 1, I said stop letting fear hold you back. And then 2, stop letting people take advantage of you. And then 3, make a plan of how you want your life to be. Just write down top 3 things you want to achieve in 2025 to start with. And then also the 4th one, I said do something out of your comfort zone. And the last one, which should be the first one, put God first in what you do. All right, let's make 2025 our year. All right, you get this, and thank you so much. I love you. God bless you.